Hello guys, how y'all doing today on YouTube? This is I Blast Deer, coming with you a video for the Blast Nation, guys. Doing a little DIY. I don't know what you would call it. I call it a slingshot gun. That's a DIY slingshot gun. I've been working on it here for a few minutes now, and I've about got it figured out. So hold tight, let me turn you guys around and show you what I got. So what I've done, I took a piece of 2x4 and I drawed it out, make a rough outline of a pistol with a pistol grip, and I cut a groove down the center of it here to house a barrel. Okay, got a piece of 1/2-inch pipe, a hose clamp, and the middle finger out of a very thick rubber glove. Okay, hose clamped it to the pipe. Let me get you set up. I'll show you what I'm gonna do here. Okay, so I've got this hose clamped to the pipe. Okay, I'm gonna take this, fit it down in my groove. Hose clamp. Got a hose clamp here. Sorry, everything's backwards in the video. Gonna hose clamp that down right there, as so. Then we're gonna throw a zip tie on it on the back side, just for safe measures. Now, keep in mind, this isn't going anywhere with that hose clamp, but I got the zip tie backwards. I want to put a zip tie on it anyway, just because I like zip ties. Zip ties are a lifesaver, especially on a farm setting. All you young boys, this is going to be something you guys are going to want to do. Snip that end off there. I'm going to snip this hose clamp. Snip this hose clamp as such. That won't snip. Snipped it off. In the trash can, put that in. And this is what you got. I've got a 1/4-inch lock nut. Feed it in the barrel. That's what we're talking about, guys. Feed it into the barrel. Shooting every time, guys. It's a single shot, but it's a quick DIY little toy. Up until you break your glove off. But anyway, it works. Try it, guys. Let me know what you think. Peace. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click your notification bell. Turn your notifications on. I'd love to see you in the channel. Anyway, God bless you, and we'll see you.